Which of the following occurs only in sexual reproduction and not in asexual reproduction? Mitosis, gamete formation, DNA replication, cytokinesis. Correct answer is option B, gamete formation. How many male gametes are produced from one microspore mother cell? 2, 4, 8, 16. Correct answer is option B, 4. In most flowering plants, how many megaspores are functional after meiosis? 2, 4, 1, 3. Correct answer is option C, 1. Sickle cell anemia protects against typhoid, influenza, AIDS, malaria. Correct answer is option D, malaria. Founder effect is an example of mutation, genetic drift, natural selection, recombination. Correct answer is option B, genetic drift. The first genetic material is believed to be RNA, DNA, protein, lipid. Correct answer is option A, RNA. Law of segregation is also known as the law of dominance, recessiveness, purity of gametes, independent assortment. Correct answer is option C, purity of gametes. Oral contraceptive pills prevent pregnancy by preventing fertilization, inhibiting ovulation, killing sperm in the uterus, causing menstruation. Correct answer is option B, inhibiting ovulation. Medical termination of pregnancy is legally permitted after how many weeks of pregnancy in India as per latest law? 12 weeks, 16 weeks, 20 weeks, 24 weeks. Correct answer is option D, 24 weeks. Anticodon is found on mRNA, rRNA, tRNA, DNA. Correct answer is option C, tRNA. Which of the following is not required for transcription in eukaryotes? RNA polymerase, DNA polymerase, promoter, none of these. Correct answer is option B, DNA polymerase. In humans, the Y chromosome determines height, blood group, eye color, male sex. Correct answer is option D, male sex. In asexual reproduction, offspring are genetically identical to the parent, different from each other, a mix of two parents, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, identical to the parent. Which process ensures genetic variation in sexually reproducing organisms? Binary fission, cloning, meiosis, budding. Correct answer is option C, meiosis. Birds have which type of sex determination? XY, XO, ZW, XX. Correct answer is option C, ZW. Turner syndrome is caused by XO, XXY, XYX, XY. Correct answer is option A, XO. Klinefelter syndrome individual has how many X chromosomes? 1, 2, 3, 0. Correct answer is option B, 2. Genes present at the same locus but having different expressions are called homologous genes, codominant genes, alleles, multiple alleles. Correct answer is option D, multiple alleles. Which of the following is an autosomal recessive disorder? Thalassemia, Turner syndrome, hemophilia, Klinefelter syndrome. Correct answer is option A, thalassemia. The variation in human skin color is an example of discontinuous variation, mutation, polygenic inheritance, monogenic trait. Correct answer is option C, polygenic inheritance. Which reproductive method requires meiosis, budding, fragmentation, binary fission, sexual reproduction? Correct answer is option D, sexual reproduction. When two genes are located close to each other on the same chromosome, they tend to mutate frequently, show independent assortment, show recombination, be inherited together. Correct answer is option D, be inherited together. How many characters did Mendel study in pea plants? 7, 6, 5, 8. Correct answer is option A, 7. Parthenogenesis is a type of fertilization, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, hybridization. Correct answer is option C, asexual reproduction. The function of the stigma is to produce ovules, capture pollen, nourish embryo, develop fruit. Correct answer is option B, capture pollen. Crossing over occurs during metaphase, anaphase, telophase, prophase 1. Correct answer is option D, prophase 1. The amount and type of melanin in the skin is controlled by environmental temperature, dietary intake, genetic factors, hormonal levels only. Correct answer is option C, genetic factors. Which of the following intrauterine devices is a hormone releaser? LNG20, copper T, multi-load 375, none of these. Correct answer is option A, LNG20. In humans, sex of the child is determined by XX chromosomes in mother, XY chromosomes in father, X chromosome only, environmental factors. Correct answer is option B, XY chromosomes in father. The evolutionary force introducing new alleles in a population is mutation, genetic drift, natural selection, migration. Correct answer is option A, mutation. Which method of contraception is considered a terminal method? Condom, oral pills, vasectomy, copper T. Correct answer is option C, vasectomy. The ABO blood group system is an example of incomplete dominance, codominance and multiple alleles, polygenic inheritance, sex-linked inheritance. Correct answer is option B, codominance and multiple alleles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for the latest informative MCQs.